Vira la. Te umesani. Yo, it's been a while. Ituro wana Sprite. Go tswa diphiri. Ga bona Sprite. La ituro se thomile go Nigeria. Se phunya dikaku. Sean the musician, show bafowethu. Itaola Manyora. Vira la, my first life here December, guys. No, since December started, I've been lacking a bit of content there. Mara, this is my first life here December. Vira la, mafowethu to mesani. Ingi. Vira lang. Exe bafowethu. Lizura le mpona ke tshwara Sprite. Ho tswa di file, ho tswa di ngi, ho tswa mangena. Phunya dikaku. Sprite ka December se toasty monate bafowethu. Dangi Sean, vira la mafowethu. Sure ko. Kudleke yini ishebe. Okay bafowethu, ke bayise date. Ayithi mara. Bara bro speak English. Bafowethu. Taba ya English ke zamile batho ba ka balwa le nna. Ba re ke bolele veneke. Ke zamile ke re ke bolela English mara wa pa. So yeah, ke coverile tabela le go Sosville ya manyora ba le ba tseneng ka daso ba tshwere mageje. Ba betha 25 people already. I spoke about it, guys. No. So na banong update maphodisha ba re they've made a discovery. Gore ke bo mang batho bao. So ba re one of them ke motho le re ne ba mo file parole. Na tswile ka parole motho a teng a shifalo ke ena o sa bolla go strateng o sa seletsa hape. So khaotile batho ba 25 including bana. Hona le ngwana wa 3 years of age, ngwana monyana. So a lot of people ba iputsisa hore ngwana o nyaka eng go taveneng. Hey, why ba thuntse ngwana go taveneng? Guys, story gore ngwana a sta ba tsa rona le go taveneng. Ntlu ela hona le tavene mo yona ke kwabo. So bana ne ba ithobaletse on the other room. So batho ba le ba no fitla da ba ya go dikamoreng tseo ba thuntsa bana ba banyana. I think there were 3. One was 3 years, 12 le 16. One so ba khabatile ba bethile ka kane. 16 years ke ngwanyana. So ke 2 boys, 1 girl. Gore batho ba le ba tsena ka da a banya go botsisa gore o ngwana o mosadi mmere kwa bona seletseng. So ba seletsitse mara police at least ba discoverile gore ke bo mang. So ba re one of them ne le panditi ba montshitse ka parole motho a se khala tswile ka parole o ira tlhakatlhakano o ira maphambuka. So ke mawaza bafuthu ke mawaza mo country ya rena. You guys must be safe, you know, and the government no ba challenge this thing ya go bana le di illegal tavern gore ke sa bjala ka di back door. Ba re batho ba te thomela di sport ba te thomela di tavern da so ke mawaza bafuthu tlhakatlhakano mara la itse ke na le lena ka update. Ene taba ya shebe guys ke by state date ne ke bone gore ke rile flop. It sometimes batho ba nyaka ditaba and then when you get your sources le bona ba misa date se tlhakatlhakantsha story sa. Okay, by the way ona le the next bail hearing since ne a ye for yona. So what happened ba re o forgerile di documents tsa victim ya hae wa bona na le ka mkhweirileng metaile. So pila guys taba e direka ke NPA. So the National Prosecuting Authority ke bona ba monyaka mfantuka ba monyaka maphena ba nyake a tso go tronkong ke bona ba tsereng case ya hae by turn into schedule 6 because what happened case ya hae ne only attempted murder, unlicensed firearm le malicious damage to property ne le charges C3. So ba le ba lor motho already o tswile ka bail ona le melato nngwe ya go morao le re mo hirile. So about reading re tse melato ile ya go morao re add le di current cases or case ba ne le matla e ba ne le vote ba khono mo shapa ka le kagu ba khono mo shapa ka segwebo. So ona ba no reme ho utlwa gore o tlo utswa or ka bail ba hana ka yona because must be Daviding ba boditsa re ke se nna ba futsu ke na le ngosi ke na le wa itse ke na le ngosi ya 8 years kwa go le sideng ka mo ke breadwinner ke na le girlfriend ta ka le re nkhale ke pusha le yona for 13 years ke na le bazali na le batswadi le re ba jaaka nna hexa di giging ke sa performing gore ka mo jarateng ke tlala ke maphambuka ke mawaza ba futsu. So sa wara ke na le lena for updated news to le botswa re di ntshane to misane inge ba bona mara le ntshwareleng mo ke feleng ke baisa di date nyana wa itse ene wa itse bya TikTok ona ro ka wa edit. So Bitverse yeah guys, I saw this video ne yeah there's 3 guys ne. So what happened, this other guy I think over there for Bitverse first we bona no. So that guy ba mo hijackile da ba mo tsela vene. So ba mo hijack that guy ke bone that clip wa hwella hey thusang o tswa marokolo o bolla vie. so wala vie damano tshwere ntsheza ya we breach la snambela o tshwere Glock 9 hela snambela bolla ka danga re mo shapile ka 1 mo maleng metha ka 1 mo maleng khandi golila ina le dash cam ba bona gore ke bo mang hira la so di pictures tsa batho ba le disatso re ke say guys re nyaka batho ba manhunt ya batho ba rile tlhakatlhakano ba tsetse motho vene so I don't think those guys will last ba futhi wait mo ka sire byang raitsane wa itse o nna kae o phela kae raitsane at the end ba tlo bantsha batho ba le re ke bo mang o ntshana so ba futhi e sharping careful ke di festive season batho ba nyaka zaka ba nyaka bondlolo so some people they will go all out or ba krezaka ka mkhube kore they will go out ba futhi so that's why ke e bang safe mo ditseleng you know batho ba chaile motho mongwe mo pressure ya re ngwana kana diteki tsa Christmas o lebelletse wena o tshoreng zaka ya bana ba hao so kore o no tsela wena gore bana bao ba safari go je bana ba hae ke mo lefatsheng la dishaka is either you eat or you be eaten wa bona re gwa nyiba o fitsu ntwe go le gore e bang careful le mo ditseleng batho ba rila mawasa so yeah is uncle your work is well thank you what do you get this name Matunku mang mata etaba ya mabizo guys I thought ke address it ne mara guys I'll soon be going to a podcast so this thing ya mabizo ke tlo isetlela pila ke bolele pila ke le fem file ke le fem give gore taba ya mabizo e tlhako kae ke kra go kae mara e re tlo di bolela ke le mo podcasting ke itsore ke share le everyone ya la ba yona yeah guys and then do you work at Mamelodi Hospital? No guys, I don't work at Mamelodi Hospital. I'll make a video. I'm a music producer. Yeah you guys, you know guys for promo I don't mind doing promo for you. I don't mind doing promo, but you can't expect me hey give a promo fela go promote, you know guys. This thing takes time, takes effort, takes energy. I don't know ba fitu kerabilo ka frostana khotman frostana ke nanja ka medogo. You are very good with names. Thank you Waiti Razama. Yeah bo tlhaka no mawaza tlhaka no maphambuka. So a lot of people they were asking hore tlhaka no maphambuka keng tlhaka no mawaza keng guys o itse ho utlwa ke tlhaka no mawaza o itse bano ke tlhaka ntswiki ke mathata gore ke di jive ke di flopo bona yeah ke tse tsotlhitse one story bra while you are alive. Yes, and guys I used to drop stories mo di life ntsaka you know mara batho ba lwa le nna mara I'll try re pushenyana gona nke tsenang re kutlwa ba re I'll inbox you and you negotiate cash for my music promo. Yeah obana guys sometimes kana hana or this one is an upcoming artist re ke sa mo hatella because guys I do charge like a lot for the campaign, you know campaigns there if you are upcoming wazama or you just started your business nga so hatelle o khono even I don't like charging people batho ba loreng ba sa thoma ba zama you know ke ba reasonable khono go tsara okay the charge when how much can you afford because once nna ke tlo khouta di price tsaga like wa bona it tlo ba too much because nna ke lebeletse first of all once I promote your business like in about how much 15 million viewers a week 15 million even your business will blow up like yo bona ke batho ba ba phaya and all that so ke try go ba go negotiate man ra bontshana ra ba uthi man ka so hatelle ka bona gore o te baisitsa magwinya ka be ke wira 3 clip a ke nya go hatella one swara. I'm not like that guys. Yeah mpo the name of the podcast ke tlo le botsane we must just confirm. No, we must just confirm with the guy from their side. Okay, sharp. Are we doing this? Because bona ban romela invitation. Mara obvious son romela invitation. I don't charge for podcast. Mara ka driver petrol since on na hanelo damano tlo starta o tla khole. Ere ke mo tshelle bokana. Yeah, once they send the money ya gazolo, ya re ke tleta. Then ke tlo le botsore ke ya kae. Wa bona. If not ka my own budget ai ke December. Bana ba nyaka diapano. A ono re ke tlo ya podcasting ka tšhelete ya bana. So yeah re tla bona re hira la mafitso. So ke se sphinx story se long le nyoko. No, Chevy is not out of jail guys, not yet. Let her know I can't skip your videos. One love my brother. The updates why they are coming there, you know, storytelling. But it's on. So yeah, so if when I cover a story, you can just tell me here or when I give a leg of story because guys I can't know everything here la molefasing. It's highly impossible. No, it's impossible though. Hore ke itse hore ntwe ya irala so ba bang ba tla mpotsa okay guys on checkele story se se bjana man on potse sone and then I'll just get check gore go irala You always bring real news. How do you manage that? Manage of bringing real news, you investigate, my guy. One. Even though I'm not a journalist, I don't do the investigations. It's until already journalist okay. Hobian. Then I level that then story se and then kasibala and then kesibia ka tsela yaka. The best way you can understand. Kira dilo difficult to understand. The way the journalists they are using all those ways unnecessary. Motho taba e bjana o sa dra o jiga ka ntlhela o ra botse taba, so na don't do that. He taba le ka mkho ke bia that way gore le tlhalohanye e be much more easier for batho ba ba. So ke na lena ba futhi, thanks for the love, man. Thanks for the love, is crazy. So batho ba mpona no ba re tlhaka no mawaza. People are calling me tlhaka no mawaza. I love your energy. Thank you, bro. Para pusa zanga ka bora go lebeletsa abo. One love, as long as entertainment is there ba futhi. Bo ka le appreciate ba futhi. Ke nantwana upcoming artist by the name of Mafezi. Shout out Mafezi. I wish you can promote my music. Guys, let me check Mafezi ne. Ke tlotla last stuff sa bro. Ka maybe ke tla tsa clipinyana ka ya story. Gore ba utlwele music go kae. Or about music go Spotify and all that, man. No. That's the least I can do ba futhi. That's the least I can do for manyara for manyora aga. So mata. So guys, I get all the shapa ka di unreleased. Na le tori nyana le tlo le bethaka tsone. You can make a good script writer. Guys, ke re na le tori tsa my own stories with my own names, my own characters. Ke tlo le bethaka ka se sengwe ne. That one it's bona. Ibila ne senya ka YouTube. Senya ka YouTube sela. Na le story tse ke tlo di dropa. Now is December, guys. At least ke khono kra chance ya go phumolanyana go spanning now and then, because why easy more plus spanning, we don't have that energy to do all this content. Crime doesn't pay. Yeah. We Google le rena re promote abo. Ke to zama junior RSA promotion ya eng para go pusha business di ntshana. Bolela le nna re botse ka Diamond o la o tsama le basadi ba high for 7 days or what happened. O tsama le basadi ba for 7 days. Taba ya the G20, there's a lot. Where did the 4 prisoners escape? Bako kai, guys. Are you talking about the prisoners ba Mzanzi or kai? Which prisoners? So taba ya G20 ba futhi Donald Trump ba re nyaki next year. Guys, Eric Thousand did ya G20 ne. So G20 ne. So G20, there are the 20 countries ne. Tse loreng dira at least 25% of the GDP. Like it's not any country e tla tsena mo G20. So what happened? Donald Trump uno thoma di tori tsa hae. Tori tsa hae ke tsoro di kra ka tsona tsi. I think mo di kra from AfriForum, not this group ba re ke AfriForum. Why is it they've always been against these countries, development their country and all that. So what happened there? Ashile ke ena, he was supposed to attend the G20 summit elor nira la go Joburg. So fine. Kana go loreng is closer to the date or banung since ne thome G20. O thoma taba ela bo cupcake ba na metsing di flight e baya. Ba ile mo tlhalosetsa gore why genocide I think I exist into you know ba di patla fofo two katlamba since well cupcake o ile a sa mo tshwarela plane because I get go Saudi Arabia na go ba mmona ba mfile plane. So re na rile da so re mo tshwaretse di avocado le di mango or tsa go tla sona na ba bana ke bana ba banyane ba mpetha ka tswafa a shifale ke ena o sa thoma ditori tsa rona le white genocide da go Mzanzi. I hope gore le di country stadium just because America ke bona die on top or they will le nna na hana gore di country tse dintsela di tla mo joina di are re South Africa. So unfortunately ke ena I one o lo re nga attend by boycotta ya irala G20 without them ya irala president di atla they had fun, they took pictures baba welcome arena mo or like kwa ba monate wa ba love. So na banong o nyo go romela motho gore a tlolata the G20 presidency da cause next year irala kwa America go bona. So each and every year hey fela ka closing ceremony since no bane le one of the delegations or wa tla so o tlo accept that then for country. So ha batla motho da go closing ceremony so yena ba o nyo go romela mfana fela lo reng a re silo is not part of the delegation. Motho fela motho o dila ka o photocopy ma page go officing tsa hae o nyo go mo romela Mzanzi a tse then. So amoza president that no that thing is a breach of security and it's a breach of protocol. We had an agreement or presidency since then refer another president home. If president available, at least the deputy president or one of the delegations tsa high. So a shufale Donald Trump o no ba stubborn no go romela mfana fela president arbo le ka se kry ka closing ceremony re tlo le fa yona ka Monday ho sa ira le selo di president di tsamaile ba ile high ho sa ira le selo on normal Monday o tla romela mfana o ko office tsa rena ta so ra no mo fa yona ene svara ba romela mfana bona fitla ko office no sa ira le selo o grile batho ba tshwere ke bhabi ke manta fela aba mo welcome aba ira selo no welcoming ceremony ba no tsena fela ba re tshwara ba mo fa yona e ka di envelope tse brown o tshwara o ka fa Donald Trump. So Donald Trump wa ntse ka re ditaba tse a dutlo re se yape ko South Africa ba mfile ka style se arne are banyake next year are banyake aba felle da go mzanzi a ke le rena ratla so le bona a batle so ke flop. So it shows or this president on already flop against Rena ka mo World Cup on reteng a ke itse re ba tlo go ba mara re tla bona re irala tlhakano ke mawaza maphambuka ba futsi a ke check di comment khala ke bolela ke bona Mzansi guys re ba utlwisa ofisa re ba utlwisa ofisa like re ba utlwisa ofisa batho ba abathi bore ke hosta di World Cup abatshepe re betha the G20 summit, the first African country ya hosta G20 summit abatshepe kore rena pila ara tshwanela hosta selo ara tshwanela ke lotse pila di tshwanetse ke bona ma American ba sanya gore tlwaela. And guys the funny thing since re stopile this relationship le America ilo za rena di tsa mashapo di betha bele di motepu lebella no renta ke 60 rand ke 16 rand it was 18 rand now it's 16 rand. It means the rand is getting stronger, the repo rate di a dropa. It shows gore batho ba le ne ba control economy ya rena ne ba itlhakatlhakantsha so ma China no mara ba since wele ba le distances ba sa lenyake between rena hair trader a re berekise the Chinese yen re berekise yona re berekise di ba RMB tse tsa ma China re trade ka tsona dollar ye menyana dollar re bola e matla. And the moment the dollar a lot of countries ba stop trade ka yona e bola the power of dollar e tlo thomo ba go tlase tsena isikhale dollar re le kana le yona ile bo ma 6 rand 5 rand 7 rand. That thing is impossible. It's possible guys since I read the distance from batho ba tshwana le ma American ke mo re winner so yeah ba futhi ke mawaza yeah bo brapet dangi njaka me dog thank you. So guys ke tlo lebetha e ka di story ne mara story tse gore ka lenane la ke le fetsa ona mara jo tse ke di classic itse tse ke di classic itse dona ke di classic itse mara it's fine ke tlo betha session ba fuithune kawelo tsa ka ditaba tsa officers bra bare motho a reveal di source tsa hae taba ya shebe update ya shebe ba fuithu mara update ya shebe ke le file mara ntwe ke rileng ke missed the date wrong. I think from the source ke ba rileng mo yona the date was wrong so yeah mara taba ya shebe guys ba sa molwela e lo ya razela dialwa tsena. They're really fighting hard for art, you know, because that guy has so many gigs lined up. It's a buy the gigs it's all already promote and see the deposit for something to happen like this. Already almost posting and so Ramos. So it jive, you know, it jive. Basalo or at least the art a konozola December family ba konoja. Mara people are worried or victim or na because okabadile motho go spetlela hele motloela azwe a perform ngara ba irala silo. What does it say about the victim? Yeah, man, call and go in. I follow you, but sometimes I think I'll tell this spice. No, yeah, this spice more is you know, click it a fair on one tshwaro balance equation fela gore story se sa ba man se sa bana le se ba le arometenyana se utlwa le se be faninyana, you know, ke try go balance lo tse bjalo. So gore story ke se bolela sa no ba story fela gore bafana 1-2-0 se fedile. Tseo di bolela ke di news report e se file ke nna bafana ba le ba mosantse wa bone bafana ba touchline o utlwa lo ene gore sa se bana le that vavavom. So ke a ke se journalist ntshwa. I'm your biggest fan. Shout out to you Kutlwano. One love my guy. One love. Yeah, so bafowethu I'm gonna be live again. Ke tlo ba live and then ke tlo lefa ditori, ke tlo lefa di updated news, ke tlo lefa everything. So like a line, so ke tlo lefa zona. No, get keep updated. And for any questions or for any stories, so loreng onyaka ke se checkenyana. Tampo tsona yimo life. We are enjoying your content, bro. Thank you, Ria. I'm your big fan. Njaka me dog. Where you guys are from, guys? Lethalele guy, man. Sneningi no bethala ka siya le Nathashi. You know kopana, because I've been getting this love from all over Mzansi, like so much love, bafuthu. That one. So I wish some of my friends nga kopana le bona, you know, just mini conversation with them. Everything managa di rain. Prisoner. Okay, sharp guys. Story says the prisoner. I think I'm gonna check it out because it seems like Batoba Sinyaga. You know, it was check out and then yeah, gonna lay now of it. Wait, one love.